Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can name your organization in GTA on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website, where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can name your organization in next gen GTA Online. Naming one's organization is a crucial step in GTA Online, and it's something that new players can on the next gen console might not know how to do. Thankfully, it is very easy and can be done by following these steps. First of all, bring up the interaction menu. On the PS5, hold down the touchpad. On the Xbox Series X or S, hold down the view button. Scroll down to secure a serve and select that option. Register as either a CEO or a VIP. The career builder in the next gen consoles guarantees that players are at least be a VIP. It will then ask the player to enter a name, up to 15 characters. Gamers can also change the name down the line so they don't have to worry about it being permanent. To do so, in the same session, do the following. First of all, bring up the interaction menu, select Security Serve, VIP or CEO, then select Management, select Name. As you can see guys, right here, GTA Online players can bring up the interaction menu anywhere in the overworld. New players on next-gen consoles should know that controls slightly differ from the PS5 to Xbox Series X or S. PS5 players hold down the touchpad, while Xbox Series X gamers need to hold down the view button. Upon doing so, players should be able to see the interaction menu after selecting Secure Serve. From the option, players will be able to see a screen similar to what is shown in the following image. So basically, guys, from here, you can change your organization name. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.